Dubai is redefining the future of real estate. Welcome to the era of real estate tokenization development, where blockchain, smart contracts, and VARA compliance converge for transparent, global property investment. Traditional real estate deals are slow and expensive. Tokenization transforms every property into a programmable asset, instantly tradable, secure, and compliant with Dubai's Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority. With real estate tokenization development, we convert properties into blockchain tokens via self-executing smart contracts. Each token allows fractional ownership, built-in rent, resale, and compliance logic. Smart contracts automate identity verification, ownership transfer, and yield distribution. Every transaction is on-chain for full transparency. Our platforms follow VARA's rules. We guide clients to Category 1, licenses for compliant asset issuance, investor protection, and mandatory auditing. All token operations are VARA compliant, from KYC/AML checks and investor classification to real-time audit reporting to Dubai's dashboards. Tech stack, ERC tokens, robust smart contracts, secure hybrid storage, IPFS/AWS, interactive React dashboards, and multi-sig wallets for enterprise-grade security. Imagine a $10 million property split into tokens traded worldwide. Verified investors trade and receive automated rent. Every trade, every yield tracked and reported to VARA in real time. What sets RWA platforms apart is the thriving secondary market for tokens. Investors can buy, sell, and trade tokens anytime, unlocking 24/7 liquidity, instant access, and dynamic price discovery, just like traditional securities. Platforms deliver multi-signature wallet protection, AI transaction monitoring, and smart contract audits certified to international standards. Every transaction, from primary issue to secondary trade, is traceable by hash, ready to unlock new liquidity, borderless ownership, and full regulatory transparency. Tokenization brings together innovators, investors, and regulators for the next finance revolution. At Code Brew Labs and BlockTech Brew, we turn properties into digital prosperity. Let's build the future together. Get started building your VARA compliant real estate tokenization platform today. Visit codebrew.com or blocktechbrew.com and turn your assets into digital wealth. Securely, transparently, and globally accessible.